The count function counts all the numeric numbers in the provided range in Excel and then provides the total count in the resulting cell. You can provide numbers, refer to multiple cells, or select a range of cells to count the numbers easily. The count function only works on numeric values. If you provide a non-numeric value, which is like a text value, it will not be counted in the final answer. The syntax of the count function in Excel is to just say equal to count number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3, and then you can also say equal to count of a range of cells simply by selecting the range, like equal to count A1 to A10. When do you use the count function in Excel? It is quite common in the management and executives to count the number of rows of data. For example, managers often want to know the total number of headcount or the total number of transactions or the total number of tickets resolved. All such measures can be easily calculated with the count function, which is pre-built in all the versions of Excel. This function is the most common and it can be easily invoked from the Home tab by clicking the drop-down arrow on the sigma icon and then picking Count Numbers. If the grand count cell is next to a range of data, it will auto-populate the count formula without writing anything. This is a handy trick that you should practice and get used to for counting the number of rows or transactions easily in Excel. It will help you a lot to get the total count, and this is one of the most important functions in Excel, and it's pretty common to use this. So make sure to get really good practice on this count function. Did you like this video? Remember to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon. Learn more about Excel systematically. Join our Excel Essentials from Beginning to Pro training program. Master Excel step by step through video tutorials, exercise files, challenge exercises, and you can watch it anytime, anywhere. Simply visit www.excelchamp.net/essentials and join the training program. Thanks for watching. All the best.